What's up, riders? Welcome back to Speed Society, the place where passion meets pure horsepower. Today, we're diving into a machine that blends classic cruiser vibes with that unmistakable Honda reliability, the 2025 Honda VTX 1300. This bike isn't just built to ride, it's built to own the open road with comfort, style, and a punch of power that keeps you smiling every mile. Whether you're chasing sunsets or just looking for that weekend escape, the VTX 1300 promises a ride that feels as good as it looks. So, grab your helmet, settle in, and let's see what makes this cruiser a real standout in 2025. The legacy of 2025 Honda VTX 1300. The Honda VTX series has always been synonymous with power and presence, and the 2025 model proudly carries that legacy forward. Originally introduced in the early 2000s, the VTX quickly gained a reputation for its massive V-twin engine and commanding road presence. Over the years, it became a favorite among riders who wanted a cruiser that didn't compromise on performance. The 2025 VTX 1300 pays homage to its roots while embracing modern engineering and design. Honda has refined every aspect of this machine, ensuring it remains relevant in an ever-evolving market. For those who remember the original VTX, this new iteration will feel familiar yet refreshingly advanced. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement. Design and aesthetic. The 2025 Honda VTX 1300 is a visual masterpiece, blending classic cruiser styling with contemporary flair. Its low-slung profile, stretched-out wheelbase, and muscular fuel tank give it an aggressive yet elegant stance. The chrome accents, deep paint options, and intricate detailing ensure that this bike turns heads wherever it goes. Honda has paid special attention to the ergonomics, ensuring that the rider and passenger enjoy a comfortable, relaxed position without sacrificing control. The LED lighting, including the bold headlight and sleek taillights, adds a modern touch while improving visibility. Every curve and contour has been carefully crafted to enhance both aesthetics and functionality. Whether parked or on the move, the VTX 1300 exudes confidence and sophistication. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 VTX 1300 lies a beastly 1,312 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, delivering the kind of torque-rich power that cruiser riders crave. Honda has fine-tuned this power plant for optimal performance, ensuring smooth acceleration and a satisfying rumble that echoes through the exhaust. With a broad torque curve, the VTX 1300 excels in both city cruising and highway stretches, offering effortless overtaking power. The fuel injection system has been updated for better throttle response and efficiency, making every ride more engaging. Whether you're rolling through town or hitting the open road, this engine provides the perfect balance of raw strength and refined delivery. It's a motor that begs to be ridden hard, yet remains composed under relaxed cruising. Technology and features. Honda has equipped the 2025 VTX 1300 with a suite of modern technologies to enhance both safety and enjoyment. The full-color TFT display provides all essential ride information in a clean, easy-to-read format, including navigation, ride modes, and connectivity features. Bluetooth integration allows riders to pair their smartphones for music, calls, and turn-by-turn directions. Safety is prioritized with ABS and traction control, ensuring stability even in less than ideal road conditions. The keyless ignition system adds convenience, while the adjustable suspension allows riders to fine-tune their setup for different riding styles. These features don't just make the VTX 1300 more advanced, they make it more accessible and enjoyable for a wider range of riders. Handling and comfort. Despite its substantial size, the 2025 VTX 1300 handles with surprising agility. The frame geometry has been optimized for stability at high speeds while remaining manageable in tight spots. The wide, comfortable seat and well-positioned handlebars create a relaxed riding posture, reducing fatigue on long journeys. The suspension soaks up bumps effortlessly, ensuring a plush ride even on rough roads. Honda has also improved the weight distribution, making low-speed maneuvers easier than ever. Whether you're navigating city streets or carving through winding backroads, the VTX 1300 delivers a composed and confidence-inspiring ride. It's a cruiser that doesn't just look good, it feels good, mile after mile. Riding experience. The true magic of the 2025 Honda VTX 1300 reveals itself on the open road. The deep exhaust note, the seamless power delivery, and the commanding riding position create an immersive experience that few cruisers can match. The bike feels planted at highway speeds, yet remains flickable enough for spirited riding. The wind protection is just right, allowing for long-distance comfort without isolating the rider from the elements. Every twist of the throttle brings a surge of power, reminding you why the VTX name carries such weight in the cruiser world. It's a bike that encourages exploration, whether you're on a solo adventure or riding with a group. Upgrades over previous models. Honda hasn't just re-released the VTX 1300, they've reimagined it. The 2025 model boasts a more refined engine tune, improved electronics, and a sleeker design language. The chassis has been stiffened for better handling, while the braking system has been upgraded for stronger, more consistent stopping power. The inclusion of modern tech features like ride-by-wire throttle and multiple riding modes ensures that this VTX is more versatile than ever. Who is this for? The 2025 Honda VTX 1300 is designed for riders who demand power, presence, and prestige. It's perfect for experienced cruisers who want a bike that can handle daily commutes as well as cross-country tours. Newer riders with a taste for larger bikes will appreciate its manageable power delivery and confidence-inspiring handling. Customization enthusiasts will love the aftermarket support, allowing them to personalize their VTX to their exact preferences. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Honda VTX 1300 is expected to start at $12,999 for the base model, with premium paint and accessory packages pushing the price slightly higher. Honda has positioned it as a competitive option in the cruiser market, offering a compelling mix of performance and features for the price. Final thoughts. And that wraps up our look at the 2025 Honda VTX 1300. A bike that proves Honda still knows exactly how to hit the sweet spot between performance, comfort, and timeless design. It's the kind of ride that makes you want to take the long way home every single time. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Speed Society for more reviews, breakdowns, and all things on two wheels. Until next time, ride safe, ride hard, and keep the passion alive.